Hello everyone. Today I want to speak to my fellow scientists, researchers and students about something often overlooked or misunderstood, the value of in silico research in biomedical research. We often hear statements like in silico findings have no value unless it is validated experimentally, and especially from the colleagues who is focused on in vitro studies. They say computational results are just prediction, it doesn't provide any significant information. Let me pause and say in vitro work is indeed important. It brings us closer to the biological reality, but the truth is no experiment, whether in vitro or in vivo, is complete until a drug reaches to the patient. In fact, many compounds that show promise in the lab fail in animal models or clinical trials. Why? Because science is a long and complex process, and every step, computational, lab-based or clinical, has its own limitation. You should keep in mind that in silico science helps you to reduce timelines, costs, manpower, and also provides detailed sequence and structural insights as well as disease association prediction without touching a single cell. This is not a competition. In silico, in vitro, and in vivo are not rivals. They are collaborators in scientific process. When used together, they create smarter, faster, and more efficient path to discovery. So I want to say to my friend who asked me why I do in silico research, I do because it's the first step towards success. Because informed experiments are better than blind ones. And because in the end, it's not about how we start, but how far we go to bring real solution to the people. So my dear friends, please value the in silico science independently. Let's value all branches of science, computational, experimental, clinical, as equal pillars of supporting the future of medicine.